Hi, my name is Michael Hoover and I'm the owner of Mavi Unlimited Property Management. What I want to do right now is introduce you, our new resident, into our work order process. I'll let you know kind of how that works when you have something that needs to be repaired in your rental. So the first thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you've got an tenant portal login and sign in already figured out. You would have received a link from us to activate your tenant portal. We'd like to have you make sure you do that. You can do a variety of things in there, such as pay rent, but also submitting your work orders is going to happen through that avenue. So go onto your tenant portal first and create the new work order via that system. Once we receive your work order, we will go through it with our maintenance coordinators. We'll verify any details if we need to with you using our text feature. And you can see that number flashing at the bottom of your screen. That's going to be a great way for you to communicate with us and ask for updates, that sort of thing, and get almost an immediate response for us during working hours. So once we have the details of your work order confirmed, we will then assign it to the appropriate vendor. From that point, you will hear from us either with a time slot that a vendor is going to be going into your rental, or our vendor will call you to schedule an appointment. Typical turnaround time on a non-emergency, what we sort of view as a non-essential work order. This would be maybe a small leak under a kitchen sink, a pest control issue, something of that nature. Typical turnover is going to be about 1 week for us to receive the work order, schedule it with the appropriate vendor, have that vendor then schedule with you if necessary, complete the work, and then provide us with a completion. So about 7 days, give or take, depending on the scope of the work. After the work order has been completed, you should receive a customer service email from us, which is going to be your chance to give us feedback on how the work went. Are you happy with the quality? Was the vendor professional and courteous when they went out to your property? Was the work actually done correctly? And so we want your feedback, we welcome your feedback. So you'll get that link to a completed work order survey sent to your email. If you could just do your part to fill that out and give us that essential feedback on how the work order went, we would greatly appreciate it. Once again, this has been how the process for a work order happens within our business, and how we input the information or get the information from you, assign it to a vendor, see that scheduling through, and ultimately see the work order through to completion. If you have any questions, again, that text number is down below. Please feel free to reach out. And thank you for giving us the opportunity to be your landlord. We appreciate it.